Check for loose loops. Trim any uneven yarn. Place the backing on the pillow. Now add the stuffing inside. Then, close the edges gently. Run your hand across the surface. It should feel soft and smooth. Your fluffy Barbie heart pillow is ready.